Open the Profile Bespoke Pendant .3dm files of this lesson. Select the curve and run the Profiles command under the Components menu. Click on Edit. Click on the Add Profile icon, then pick the curve's top end. Click on the Edit icon next to the profile you just created and change the profile to 017, confirm, and type 3.68 on the width field and 1.96 on the height field. Now, click on the Accept button above the profile. Click on the Add Profile button and pick the lowest point of the curve. You can use the Quad Snap to help you find the exact point. Click on the Edit icon next to the profile you just created and change the profile to 008, confirm. Set width to 1.45 and 1.1 to height. Click on the Accept button above the profile. We suggest using the End Snap to help you find the exact point. By this point, the end of the curve you have to pick has been covered by the first profile. Click on the Add Profile button and pick the other end of the curve. Click on the Edit icon next to the profile you just created and change the profile to 011, confirm. Change the type to reverse and click on the Accept button above the profile. Click on Confirm Changes. On the Diamonds tab, click on the Gems Creator command. Type 0.03 on the Carats field. Click on the Create button and confirm your changes. Run the Bezel command under the Stone Settings menu. Set the following parameters: width to 0.69, height to 1.71, over girdle height to 0.1, and girdle width to 0.59. Confirm your changes. Use the gumball to position the bezel at the same level as the flat face of the advanced curve object. You can add materials to the model and render it. That's it.